Halo, 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 halo. Gue streaming lagi, main Digimon lagi, guys. Nah, minum dulu. Oke, kali ini ya streaming yang ini mah nyantai aja ya. Karena gue baru main juga, belum pernah ini main game ini. Kita main lagi Digimon. Kembali mengantukkan diri lah ya. Ini game. Oke, dulu B ya ini ya. Boy. Seperti biasa kita kasih nama gua aja. Pengen gue terus Jun ganteng padahal. Kembang api ya. Iya. Grafik NDS lagi nih boy. Kok ada yang jatuh tuh guys. Ini kayak gue balik aja deh guys. Gini aja lah ya. Rada kepotong gitu kayaknya. Tuh iya rada kepotong guys kalau di kanan. Big bro, where are you going? You just stay here with Asuka. I don't want you to get lost. Hey now, aren't you the one that's always getting lost? To honestly feel sorry for Yui having such a dumb brother. Big bro, you shouldn't go by yourself. Where Hiroyuki go? He went off somewhere. What's he so worked up about anyway? Apparently, something fell just beyond that hill, according to him. Something fell? I do remember him typing and falling at that hill before, but that always happened to my big brothers when he get excited. Falling off a cliff, getting stuck in a ditch, knocking over Jesus statues, getting stuck in trees. Something bad really going to happen to him one day. Itu kencengan guys, kecilin dulu ya. He really has been nothing but trouble, hasn't he? Okay, fine. There are a million things I'd rather do right now. I guess we should check on him. Yay! Hiroyuki! Big bro, where are you? Doesn't look like Hiroyuki around here, doesn't it? I guess he really did go over to that hill. Hey Yui, wait for me! Wow, it's pitch black out there. That Hiroyuki really is just a troublemaker. Apa tuh di semak? Wah dia. Oh gue kira dia lagi enak-enak. Apa tuh guys? Kebakaran itu ya? Wah. Anjing. UFO guys, UFO. Big bro, be careful. It could be dangerous. Hey Hiroyuki, what on earth is that? Hehe. What do you mean? It's clearly a fallen star. Isn't that right, John? No way, I'm pretty certain it's anything but that. How can you be so excited in a situation like this anyway? Tuh ya, kenapa gue bingung deh. Percakapan di game Digimon tuh kayaknya lebih mudah dibaca daripada di Pokemon menurut gue ya. Bukan antara suka nggak suka, nggak tahu ya, tipe aksen atau mungkin tipe bicaranya, nggak tahu lah gue. Kayaknya kalau di game Digimon gue lebih gampang gitu loh guys. Kalau dibaca, what do you mean? Relax, Sasuke, just think of possibilities. You're the last person I want to hear that from. Dinosaurus gitu ya. What are you going on about? Have you finally lost your mind? No, I think he's making a wish right now. My brother been completely obsessed with dinosaur recently. I see, so that's why he was so excited about this whole thing. Falling into a bus, and it's now he's falling for the dinosaur. Well, I guess we could probably find a fossil or two around here, but a real life living, breeding dinosaur would be amazing. T-Rex, Allosaurus. Hey, if your wish really does come true, wouldn't you just end up becoming a snack for those dinosaur? Hah, ya bener juga ya, kalau dia ini si siapa namanya nih, Hiroyuki tuh ini ya punya keinginan ini ya, pengen lihat dinosaurus, tapi kalau ada dinosaurus dia bakal jadi snack buat dinosaurus itu gitu loh. Plus, doesn't this look more like a spaceship than a star? Benar, itu spaceship gila. Oh, that's be amazing too. Awesome aliens. Wah, dia kayak Tom Dilong juga. Dom Tilong anjir namanya, bukan Tom Dilong, Dom Tilong. Come on out aliens. Wah, orang enak-enak tuh. Hold on, what was that? I'm pretty sure I heard a noise from those birds over there. Agumon coy. Wih, dinosaurus bener-bener ya? It's a dinosaur? You're kidding me? Look, it's got fangs and claws. That means it must be a carnivore. Wow, this is incredible. Wishing on a star really does work. The only thing that is incredible is how stupid you are. Why did you even wish for something like this? It's gonna eat us for sure if we go near it. But wait a minute, doesn't it look a bit squishy for a dinosaur? It's kinda cute. Wait, you be careful, it might bite. Nice to meet you, my name is Agumon. It's tall? Have you seen a tamer anywhere around here? I have to get over the shock of a talking dinosaur first, let alone one that's asking us questions. Maybe you explain to us what exactly a tamer is? They're a human who raised us Digimon. According to this Digivice, a tamer should be around here. What will you do when you find a tamer? I'll ask them to raise me. Without a tamer, we Digimon can grow big and strong. That's why I'm here, looking for a tamer who can raise me. Doesn't that sound similar to looking for a mother? For such a cute little guy, you sure are clever. Oh shit, suara apa tuh? Ih, kapalnya kebuka guys. What? Did that thing just open up? Does that mean something's about to come out? Oh, I get it now. That must be the tamer we're talking about earlier, right? Yeah. With the game Nintendo DS, the one in there are tamer, yes, but these people are bad guy. I'm not looking for someone who's like that. Ooh. How about we leave detail for later? At this rate, we'll be spotted. Everyone needs to hide. Then we should probably run, shouldn't we? Cabut, give it. Gue kira dalamnya Digimon, ternyata orang juga ya. Uno Destres gitu kali ya. Bahasa Spanyol give it up, dos. Kan Uno dos tres, bener anjir, 1 2 3. Give it up, dos, just leave the ship be. If it's not gonna work, then there's no point fussing over it. Just hurry up and detach the escape pod. Anak pang coy. Yeah, just wait a moment, no. I can detach it immediately after that explosion. The data got all messed up, it seems good grief. But the safe hatch is still open, isn't it? I wonder why. As if I'd know, just hurry up and do what you need to. If we continue wasting time here, we won't be able to get back. Stress, bukan? Uno, dos, stress. Bener kan kata-kata gue? Gila, cenayang gitu gue. Padahal gue belum pernah main game ini loh, demi apapun. Do you hear me? What are you doing dawdling around in there? If you don't hurry up and get out here, you will get left behind along with that Digimon. Left behind? They're planning to leave a Digimon here in this world? Look like Tres isn't going to come out. What a pain putting up such a simple job. Hey Dos, you go drop off that Digimon instead. Just throw it out if you want. It doesn't matter. Despite saying it's a simple job, you don't want to do it, do you? Alright, then I'll go take a look while the pot is detaching. Numemon coy! Whoa, what is that? Could it be an alien? I knew it. I knew all along that thing was a spaceship. Didn't I say that from the start? We gotta get out of here. Come on, John, you too. Come on. Let's go. Cabut. Ih, ada cewek coy. Oh, si Tresnya dia ya cewek. Hey, are we really going to just leave it here? Haven't we gone over this already? There's no point in it waiting over it now. Well, I guess it's fine. This place seems to be a fairly good location. Dark, humid, and it looks quiet, lively too. Let's get going. Nume. I wanna go back with you. Don't leave me here, Nume. You promise we'll always be together, Nume. Hey, Jun, I beg of you. That Digimon needs our help. So cool. Oh, si Nume itu butuh pertolongan, guys. Ternyata kata Agumon, do you become my oh diajakin jadi temen Agumon coy. Stop, you can do this, bandit. Has this Digimon been following us the whole time? Why would you abandon your Digimon? Are you guys afraid? If you leave a Digimon here, it will cause a lot of trouble. Stay out of this. I don't take order from brats. You got a problem with this? Well, come at me and see what happens. Jun, are you ready to go? So that's one. Got a timer now? No wonder it's suddenly so brave. Fine then. If you by some miracle manage to beat us, well, we'll live here without a fuss. Hey Jun, I don't want anyone in this world that I can call a friend. No one to rely on. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Despite that, are you willing to fight together with me? Sebenarnya gue mau jawabnya enggak, cuman karena gue orang baik, of course. Let's go! Will you become a Agumon tamer and fight by its side? Of course! Let's go. Don't worry, Jun. With you by my side, everything will be fine. I chose you as my tamer for a reason after all. Ini kayak World DS gak sih? Oh iya, sama bro. Wih, bisa auto coy, ngeri juga. Petit bread, bukan paper bread nih. Sakitnya. Wih, sakit bro. Ini auto menang gak sih kita guys? Yeah, I'm the best that ever was. Langsung dapat 3 coy. Gila. We did it. I knew you make an amazing Samaritan. Unbelievable. To think we'd be beaten by some kid. Oh lamb. What a fine mess we've gotten ourselves into. This is why I hate the real world. Are you okay, John? We came back to rescue you. How do you like that, Alliance? Can you see you're no match for our incredible strength? You promised you'd leave if we won, didn't you? Take Memon with you and go back to the digital world. Ugh, acting also just because you got lucky. You were the one speaking so highly of yourself earlier. Regardless of what you say, a loss is loss. Don't go complaining about it after the fact. Whatever. Numemon, how long do you plan on standing around? We're leaving. So long as I'm here on this planet, there's no way I'll allow you Alliance to have your way. So this is what a monster from space look like. I didn't think it would look so pathetic. Capek guys, baca sendiri lah ya. Capek. Shoutout lah buat voice over di sono lah. I'm sorry for running away and leaving you two behind. Hey Jun, did you and Agumon manage to defeat that weird green monster? That creature's the same as me, a Digimon called Numemon. It's always been pet partners with those bandits in the digital world. So I wonder why they suddenly tried to abandon it. Is this digital world the planet that you came from? It's not a planet but a whole different world. Different world? Brothers, what are you doing? So this guy, the same creator as Agumon, is it dangerous to touch? It's still moving around. Don't worry. If anything happens, I'll protect you. Sotoy banget lu. Dimakan ya lu. Oh itu ininya ya. Emergency potnya. Di bawah ya guys. Ya. Ke bawah. Yui Takatomo Hiroyuki. Everyone's going to be taken to the digital world soon. We've gotta get into the digi ship. Hurry. Gila. Huh? Where am I? If I remember correctly, Yui and the others were talking until that strange ship, and then what happened after that? This place is giving me the creeps. It's pitch black, humid, and it stinks. Something slimy. Numemon ya? What is this small, cold, jiggly stuff? There's more than one. Hey, Yui, takut or Yui? What this is? Apa tuh guys? Numemon gak sih guys? Kayak Numemon dah. Emergency, brake for impact. Cargo ejection to the... Kargo. Dibuang guys. Oh iya, kargo dibuang ya. North Bridge on Mother Continent. Let's see. Do you remember being on the bandit digi ship? I heard something about an emergency, but was the ship under attack by someone? I don't think it was attack. I think that someone may have pressed the emergency. Someone? Well, I mean the button was it was this. Oh dia ya, yang mencet anjing. Gila dia tergoda sama tombol exit anjing. Gak jelas banget si Hiroyuki. Kocak juga nih cerita guys. There's something I still need to tell you. What is it? I see, I get it. Agumon is also the type who sees a button and needs to press it. Be quiet. Yes, mom. Sorry, mom. First, as you know, we don't have our own DJ set, which means it will be a while before you're able to return to your world. Huh? Then how did you come to our world, Agumon? I hitched a ride on the bandit digiship, but don't worry, we'll be okay if we just go to where my friends are. Then we can find a digiship of our own. Oh, kita nyari ini ya, kapal nih guys, digiship. Oh, kita dikasih Digivice. Mana cara tahu Digimon? Nggak usah kasih nama ya guys. Apa kasih nama guys? Kasih nama kali ya. Kasih nama deh sekali-sekali. Let's go Jang. I like it. Sunda habis bos. What? Ini bisa balik guys. Oh sama kayak ini ya di Board DS. Backplate. Apa guys maksudnya? A key item for any tamer, pack full of useful function of raising Digimon. Oh, ini kayak ini ya. Kayak World DS. Save dulu gak sih? Save dulu ya guys. Itu 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Anjir 8 cok. Ini banyak nih guys gimana? Max level 20 maksudnya? Oh max level gue 20, ntar harus di ini lagi gitu. Cryptid Family Dragon. Gak ada, Cok. To poison, death, paralysis, confusion, and sleep. Boleh juga nih. Boleh. Jadi Geogre. Wah, harus jadi Geogre dulu ya, guys. Revived Greymon. Berat kayak, guys. Save dulu gak sih? Tadi guys, save dulu. Lama nggak save. Yuk, let's go. Aduh, gak ada jalan. Ini bisa digeser gak sih? Oh, bisa, guys. Sama aja tembusnya. Iya, ada dua nih. Ini MP lebih gede, guys. Kita dulu, ini bisa digigit-gigit nih. Ini ada Gumon anjir. Gabumon, hey Gabumon, what's wrong? Kenapa nih Gabumon? Box plate. Ini set misi ya? Ih, gokil, ada Gumon nih. Agumon siapa, guys? Si Tumang anjing. Gonna die, bro. Sakit, bro. Tumang, boy. Aduh, nggak mati ya. Aduh, nggak mati juga nih. Resist. Gonna die, bro. New skill learned. Terriermon, bro. Gabung gak sih? Gabung gak sih dia, guys, sama kita, guys? Ini gabung ya? Ini di GPS. Hello, Moon. Is the server still inaccessible? Ini gak ada yang mau gabung sama kita, cuma gabung doang, guys. Tidak ada nama segala. Pets Prairie. Wah, di ini dong. Gurun ya. Dia mau gabung ya sama kita ya, Renamon gak sih? Enggak juga loh. Biar aja gua. Bye Sukamon. Nyari nih kita. Oh enggak juga anjing. Gue kira dia mau gabung sama gue. Fix repairing. Maksudnya gimana sih guys? Gak ngerti gue. Kita nggak boleh masuk anjing, pelit banget. Oh ini mau di Farm juga ya? Gue pengen Volcano sih guys. Volcano aja lah ya. Gue kasih nama. Ini biasanya warnanya merah guys kalau dragon. Gue kasih neraka anjing. Dah. Join your farm island. Kayak Agumon. Namanya siapa ya? Ini aja dah. Wah. Ini kayak kapibara guys. Kita kasih nama ini aja. Kapibara kan ya? Salah. Nice name, nice name. Matamu. Kasih nama. Manuk. Ada lagi nggak? Udah habis. Young screw. Masih ada guys. Kita bawa aja kali ya. Kita bawa kali ya guys ya. Kita bawa ya gak sih? Ini cuma satu doang guys. Bawa Mas Bro aja dah. Salah col. Bawa semuanya ya. Si manuk guys bawa. Weh, rame guys. Keluar lewat mana? Kemana guys? Ini kah? Di mana ini guys? Nah, pet prairie. Ntar dulu nih, searching dulu gak sih? Explore sini dulu guys. Oke, dapat bandage. Ini dapat petit fire guys. Listrik sih harusnya. Anjing nggak berasa bro. Wah grinding ini guys, nggak bisa ini. Hah, anjing kuat banget guys. Mati dong. Oh shit, oh shit. Aduh, paralyzed lagi, Cel. Oh, untung aja nyetir yang itu. Aduh, kena paralyzed semuanya. Please keaguman. Ya mati. Enggak, bagus. Gonna die, bro. Mampus lu, naik semua lu, ayo. Ini kemana ya guys? Cipores. Ntar dulu explore dulu gak sih guys? Kalian grinding lah ya. Buset dah. Ih, kebanyakan jalan guys. Lah bisa scan nih guys. Dikit lagi tuh. Lah, apa itu dia? Assist bro. They gonna die bro. Sial, buntu guys. Gigi convert. Ini kemana nih? Bener kah guys kesini? Apa nih? Apa sih? Wah, sakit guys. Wah, jangan auto dah, jelek. They gonna die, bro. Paper bread. Gitu dong, naik level bang. Guys, kesini gak sih guys? Pas salah gue guys. Guys, ini gue salah gak sih guys? Bener ya? Kayaknya salah deh. Apa kayaknya nggak kesini ya? Wah anjing, ini mah nggak bisa sih guys. Wah nggak bisa nih. Nggak bisa ya? Coba tes saya dulu gak sih? Aduh, resist lagi. Aduh, resist guys. Nggak bisa pakai logika Pokemon nih guys. Anjir, nggak bisa pakai logika Pokemon guys. Ah, resist bangke. Heal dulu gak sih guys? Alah, kena stun anjir. Ini tipe apa guys? Fish ya? Ini tinggal bantai-bantai guys. Ini kena stun lagi bangke. Heal dulu dah. Ikut gue nade gue. Ups. Alah, kena poison anjing. Mati please. Terus single novel. Apalagi nih geter-geter nih. Let's go. Kok dia pada kabur ya guys? Balik nih. Oh itu virus guys. Apa ini nih? Pesawat. Anjir. Star Wars. Tiba-tiba Star Wars anjir. Banyak amat banyak. Oh ini pada mau ngancurin evolusi ya guys. Anjir ditembak. Oh dia musnahin. Wah balik nih kita guys. Oh shit. Apakah mereka di... Gimana streamer dan mana streamer? Di HP itu guys. Udah bisa berubah belum sih? Save dulu guys, bahaya. Alright, sepertinya sudah ngantuk teman-teman. Sepertinya sampai situ dulu ya streamingnya ya. Gue mau tidur, ngantuk banget. Terima kasih yang udah mampir. Sampai jumpa di stream berikutnya. See you dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.